Yo, what's up, y'all? QFC here, and I'm back with a new fan. As you can see, this is one of my biggest childhood fans. But see, back in my day, it actually had 4 blades, and one of the blades were bent, and the globe it didn't have a globe, and the light chain was gone, and then the chain extension wasn't on the fan chain. But I ended up fixing excuse my stutter. I ended up fixing the bent blade over the months it was actually installed, because it failed after a few months of having it. But this isn't the same. Well, it's the same fan. It's the same model, but not the same fan I had in my childhood. It's the same model of the fan in my childhood. So yeah, I'm not used to seeing it with a globe and actually pull chains. I just need to find those blades though. I'm gonna try to buy them off another collector. That's the light. I'm not used to seeing these with a working light. All right, let's go to low. All right, so we got it on helicopter mode since we ain't got the other blades. But I'm gonna get a white Piccolo, and I'm gonna put the blades on there because this actually has, I think this has a bigger motor than the Piccolo. Well, they both have 153s, but it's all about the height. So as you can see, it's a wobble and a click because of the pull chain, obviously. And I did hear that this fan had a buzzing problem, but I don't hear it anymore. All right, let's go to medium. I put a little bit of WD-40 in the chains because they were rough. All right, see, and it's actually blowing a really good amount of air. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I'm surprised. I didn't think that these actually blew air like that. You know, these are cheap spinner fans, but you know, they can, they can show you some magic. All right, let's go to high speed. Nigga, shut up.
Okay.
Excuse my language, guys. Don't forget I'm black, so I can say that. Please don't cancel me, fan community.
Proceeds to cancel you anyways.
As you can see, it's wobbling a lot, and it's wobbling a lot. Well, not a lot, but yeah. But yeah, it's blowing a really good amount of air for what it is, especially for its size. It's 36 inches. So yeah, I'm gonna try to find some blades like this. You good?
No. I wanna kill myself.
All right, so I demonstrated the light.
No, you don't. Shut the fuck up, Jalen.
And so I heard that there's a problem on low speed reverse, so let's try. Yeah, I can hear a little buzz come from it.
You're some bitches.
Nigga, shut the fuck up.
Okay.
Okay, so, bro, I'm about to stomp you out. So I can hear a little bearing noise coming from it. And I think I need to oil it, but I'm not really too concerned about it right now because it's not bad.
Why can't you do this in your room?
Bro, I'm about to stump you. Stop asking me questions. Okay.
That was the first question I asked. For real.
Okay, so no, it wasn't, bro. Shut up. Shut up, both of you. All right, so I want to thank you guys for watching so much. Thank you for almost 300 subscribers. I really appreciate it, and have a good day. I'm about to beat your ass.